In this video, I'll show you how to add a YouTube node in n8n to get a video quickly and easily. If you're building an automation workflow and want to pull video details from YouTube, this is the exact process you need. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your n8n workflow and go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can search for and add different tools to your automation. In the Nodes panel, type YouTube in the search bar. Once the YouTube node appears, click on it to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, you'll see its settings open on the right side. Now choose Get a Video from the available options. This tells n8n that you want the node to fetch details for one specific YouTube video. Next, configure the node by giving it the required details. Usually, this means entering the video information the node needs so it knows exactly which video to get. Make sure the details are entered correctly so the node can return the right result. Once everything is configured, your YouTube node is ready to use inside the workflow. That's all there is to it. You've now added a YouTube node in n8n and set it up to get a video. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.